Hello student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is the first chapter of grammar, although it is the 11th chapter, but the first chapter of grammar, and the chapter name is subject and predicate. So, let's see what is the subject and predicate. You know there are two main part of sentence. Now what is the sentence? As you have learned in your earlier class that sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. If it is not making a complete sense, then that is not a sentence. So now when we talk about the parts of the sentence, so there is two part, yeah, there are two part of sentence. First is subject and the second one is the predicate. So let's see what is the subject. So the subject is that part of a sentence about which something is said in the sentence. तो सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस का वह पार्ट्स होता है जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाता है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट ए सेंटेंस, इफ़ यू टेक ए सेंटेंस लाइक राम इज गोइंग टू मार्केट, सो इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट इज राम? राम इज द सब्जेक्ट. So and is going to market, it is saying about him. So Ram is the subject of the sentence. The subject may be a person, place or thing. Yes, it can be anything, not only the man. It can be place, as like Kanpur is the big city. It can be a noun or pronoun in singular or plural, as like child is weeping in singular form, children are weeping in a plural form, depending upon the nature of the sentence. So now the next is the predicate. So the predicate is that part of a sentence which is said about the subject. Now predicate is the that part of the subject that says something about the subject. That child is weeping is the predicate. It can be just a single words, yeah, number of words. Of course it can be just a one words, that as like Ram goes. So here goes is predicate, and Ram is going to market. Is going to market also the predicate. तो इट कैन बी जस्ट ए सिंगल वर्ड या नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स. तो एक शब्द का भी आपका प्रेडिकेट हो सकता है और बहुत सारे वर्ड्स का भी आपका प्रेडिकेट हो सकता है. मोस्ट ऑफन द सब्जेक्ट precedes the predicate, but sometimes the reverse can be the case. Mostly it happened that subject first, after that predicate, but in few cases it happened that predicate comes first and subject after that. In some sentences the pronoun it is used in place of some other agent या force of nature. Example, here is some example. As you can see it is snowing. It is 7 o'clock now. In imperative sentences the subject is understood. You know, जब we talk about the imperative sentence, so here is subject is hidden form. ऐसे come here means subject is in a understood manner. Run fast, subject in a absolute manner. So student, this lesson is very short. There is only subject and predicate, and here is given some exercise related about that. As you can see, complete the sentence with suitable predicates. Take help from the box. So here is some subject and a blank space is given below, which I have filled, and I will throw this paste, yeah, work through homework, and you all have to fill it in your book. So first is Rabindranath Tagore. Here is a box is given, and after choosing the correct word you have to fill that here, as I have done, that Sri Rabindranath Tagore on the Nobel Prize in Literature. It is given in the box. देखिए, this is one on the Nobel Prize in the Literature. Rani Padmavati was executed beautifully. It is also given in the box. You have to find out from this box and written here, as like here was exquisitely beautiful. Alexander of Greek wished to corner the world. It is also given in this box. So like that you have to fill the predicate here in this space in your book also. And one thing more you have to do, you all have to do this exercise in your book, and also the definition you have to write. आपको definition भी लिखने हैं subject and predicate के in the copy of grammar. Hello student, this is the next exercise of this chapter, subject and predicate. So here is the matching word. Match each subject with its predicate. One has been done. So I have matched all, and you also have to do it in your books as like Athens. Athens is the capital of Greek. So I matched it from that. Ranji Trophy, it is already matched as you can see, is named after K.S. Ranjit Singh. Shershah Suri built the Grand Trunk Road. Pandit Ravi Shankar is also known as the Sitar Maestro. Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the Asia. The people tree can live for a very long time. Mercury is the only liquid metals. The Huangho is a river of China, is known as the sorrow of China. According to Hindu mythology, Vishnu is known as the Chakradhari. So these are the sentences, subject and predicate. You have to match the words from subject to predicate in your books and learn it and do exercise. After that, here is given some sentences, predicate is given and we have to fill the suitable subject. As like you can see, is the official house of the President of India. So we failed President house. Generally what not. In fact, it is absolutely known that the President house is the official house of the President of India. जो प्रेसिडेंट हाउस है वहाँ पे भारत के राष्ट्रपति रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रिटन बाय रस्किन बॉन्ड. जंगल बुक इज द बुक दैट इज रिटन बाय रस्किन बॉन्ड. Are self-luminous body in the solar system. So stars are self-luminous body in the solar system, known as the India's missile man. So Mr. Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam, is known as the India's missile man. On a medal in a Commonwealth game. So MS Mary Kom is the famous athlete of India and she won a medal in the Commonwealth Games. Is the only Indians to win the Oscar for music and he is A.R. Rahman. Is the best captain of the Indian cricket team. You can feel according to you. You can also feel Virat, Saurav Ganguly, etc. But as you know, MS Dhoni is my favorite. That's why I feel MS Dhoni. Is the science that help in studying animals' life. So that is the zoology. Has migrated to Canada. Ram. Here I have to fill a subject. So I fill Ram. Was the first president of independent India and he was Rajendra Prasad. So first we will fill a president house, second Jungle Book, third stars, fourth APJ Abdul Kalam, fifth MS Mary Kom, sixth A.R. Rahman, seventh MS Dhoni, eighth zoology, ninth Ram, 10th Rajendra Prasad. Like that you can see in the reverse form too. B. Athens is the capital of Greek. Ranji Trophy is named after K.S. Ranjit Singh. Shershah Suri built the Grand Trunk Road. Pandit Ravi Shankar is known as the Sitar Maestro. Sanskrit is the mother of all language. Sri Lanka is our southern neighbors in the sea. The people tree can live for a very long time. Mercury is only liquid metal. The Huangho is known as the sorrow of China. According to Hindu mythology, Vishnu is known as Chakradhari. So, let's repeat again. First, complete the sentence with suitable predicates. Take help from the box. Here is a yellow box given some predicate, and you have to fill that predicates here by choosing the correct one. First is Sri Rabindranath Tagore. So on the Nobel Prize in Literature, that is given in this yellow box. Rani Padmavati was exquisitely beautiful. It is also given in the yellow box. Alexander of Greek wished to conquer the world. George Washington was the first president of United States of America. Alice in Wonderland is written by Lewis Carroll. The Silk Route linked China with Europe. A band of musicians playing together forms an orchestra. Hot air balloons drifted high over the countryside. Tenali Rama is known for his wisdom. Spider-Man is character from Marvel comics. So student, you can see all these points of predicates in this box, and you all have to do as I have done in this book. So, and repeat and revise it. Thank you.